Hello everybody, I've got an ASEC lock. What I repinned this a few weeks ago but never got around to picking it. So I thought, let's have a go at picking this lock and have a bit of fun with it. Let's get the camera so you guys can see what's going on. I'm picking these locks upside down because I feel like doing something a bit different. You know what I mean, guys? A bit like sort of a bit sick picking on usual way. There we go, using my Sparrows modified, starting from the pack. That was pin 5. That was 4, 3 and 2, nothing on 2 and 1. Guys, I've got, another thing, sorry about this, I've got a Medeco here and I'm really stuck on this Medeco. One second guys, I'm really stuck on this Medeco. If you guys can help me with it. Second guys, I'll just have to zoom out a little touch. There we go now guys. There we go, got a really deep fault set. That was pin 1, that's set. Swapping picks. Got a good click off number 1. Check at the back. Everything seems set. There must be a pin missing. I lost that fault set. Being clever and pushing, letting my finger go. Oh, I thought I had it. There we go, it was pin 1 all along, guys. I'm gonna gut this quickly now for you guys, so just bear with me, yeah. Just put this down and get it into position so you guys can see what's going on here. My pinning tray is still full of that Yale. Here's the lock. Quickly, come on. Bloody hell, I've got the C-clip in for once. Where's my C-clip removers? I've not got much battery left on my phone. My C-clip removers. 1 minute, guys. Bloody fucking C-clip removers. Oh, here they are. Here, I've got them here, guys. The C-clip removers are here. So just give me a sec. There, it's come off nice and smoothly. I'll just dump them out on the table so you guys can get a good look. So I've got my pinning trays full. Botch up. Nah, don't do this to me. I want to botch this up. Let's try this way. Why is it not? Does not want to come out. Guys, we'll have to do it this way. It doesn't want to come out. One of the pins stuck or something. Try it like this. Guys, it doesn't want to come out. Bloody hell. Oops. Sorry guys, I had to do it that way. Everything's everywhere. Pin 1, 2. At least we've got them all here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, where the hell is that gone? Oh, it's here. Pin 5 is here. I'll just put them all out like this. 1. Come on. 2, that's why it was getting stuck. These are really nicely serrated. 3, 4, 5. 1 more left. The coils like 1, 3 and 5 are threaded. My battery is very low, that's why it's playing up the phone. And here we go. Here's what we're looking at, the driver pins here. And the key pins, and here are the driver pins. And here's the plug. Thank you very much guys for watching.